I wish I would have bought Tesla at $250. I knew they were going to explode. But now it's over $900 now, so I've missed it. I just blew it. Do you remember all that talk just a month ago? Well, I believe the current market is going to deliver a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, an opportunity to go back to the future. And I'm going to lay it all out for you right now. Welcome back, everyone, and in this video we're going to cover why I believe this market will provide us all with a do-over, where Tesla stock price is going in the short term, and why this may be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And if you like making money, please remember to subscribe, go ahead and hit that little notifications bell, and while you're down there, go ahead and like the video as well. Well, it looks like this Black Swan event is in full swing, but while everybody is busy panicking and fighting over toilet paper, we should be looking for opportunity. Why I believe this market will provide us all with a do-over. This do-over I see coming really looks a little bit like time travel to me. You know, Back to the Future style. And I'm not just saying that because I like 80s sci-fi, and I do really like 80s sci-fi. Here, let me explain. You may have missed the first Tesla run-up, and although it was a little bit frothy, what has fundamentally changed to create this catastrophic fall for Tesla specifically? And although I see issues coming due to the illness, illness, the thing we can't say, and with their production and demand, they have the cash to withstand a total meltdown. If you watch my last video, I'll put a little card right up there, over there. I showed you how Tesla can weather a downturn and be ready to explode on the back end. I still believe that is true, and this, do-over is a golden opportunity to ride that wave again. It's also providing you another, do-over if you haven't subscribed and smashed that like button yet. So do that right now, so you don't miss out again. You don't want to do that. Where Tesla's stock price is going in the short term. Now remember, this is for entertainment purposes only. I went to public school anyways, and I wasn't a good student, so you probably don't want to listen to me anyways. Tesla bounced around for months, somewhere in between $180 to $250, somewhere right up in there, give or take, before catching complete fire. It really took off after reporting they had made money in the last quarter, and other positive news continued to come in, like ramp up in production and the release of new vehicles, probably setting records, all that good news coming for Tesla. And yes, there should have absolutely been a big bump in share price with all that good news. However, 20% bump in price is huge for a stock during normal times, but Tesla experienced a 300% plus bump? That's ludicrous. I love this stock just as much as you guys do, but that, my friends, is just market froth and hype at its finest. That's cheap money chasing yields, along with everybody else jumping in on the latest hot stock. So we can call it, Tesla mini bubble. We'll call it that. So if a 20% bump in share price is a little more reasonable, that would make Tesla stock at around $300 per share. Add in the fact that everyone realizing it's a great company that's making huge gains, not just in cars, but branching out into other revenue streams and other revenue generating projects out there. I could easily see the price being higher than that, somewhere in between $300 and $400, depending upon how generous you want to be. Now back to the big picture of the overall market. We're in the midst of a huge market reset. A reset like we've never seen before. Nobody has ever seen a stock market like this. Not only is money fleeing the market, there's lots of short-term debt out there that's being called due, especially from hedge funds, so they are being forced to sell stocks to cover their positions, and that creates even further downward pressure on prices. Now keep in mind there are trillions, trillions with a T. Yeah, however you make a T, of these types of short-term positions out there. And you see, that's the reason why we continue to see record declines and really no sign of letting up. Resetting Tesla would mean that the share price would fall somewhere in between that $300 and $400 range we talked about, in my opinion. However, I still have not discounted for the illness or the global slowdown or the complete shutdown or recession or whatever else is coming. How much of that will impact Tesla is the real question. But even if the impact is small, the markets are so spooked, and they always overreact anyways, both positive during good times and negative during downturns, that I don't think this is going to go well for Tesla. Given the current set of circumstances, it's not out of the realm of possibility. I believe we could see Tesla stock under $200 per share. Hey, and as the market conditions change, I reserve the right to change my opinion either up or down, but it's possible it gets to that level. That price is not reflecting the strength of the company at all. It's just the exterior forces that will drag this stock down and the overall market down in the short term. Until we have a handle on this situation, things will continue to trend negative. On the flip side, this creates a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to go back to the future. why this may be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. How many times in your life have you said, I wish I would have, but I can't go back in time to do anything about it now? Well, now is your chance. We are kind of going back in time, and I'm so excited because we already know what Tesla stock is capable of. It had a real shot at hitting the $1,000 per share mark before all this illness stuff happened. And right now, you're able to pick it up for more than a 50% discount from its high. And you possibly may be able to pick it up for a 60, 70%, maybe even more of a discount than that. How can you not be excited? We know the future of this company, and you're getting a second chance if you missed out on the run up the first time. You need to evaluate for yourself, do your research, create a plan, and execute. I already have that in place for several stocks, including Tesla, and I'm working on that video right now. So make sure you're subscribed and you hit the notifications bell so you know when that drops. But don't let all the noise and negativity drag you down. Don't listen to the media or anyone else really. Use your brain and realize you have seen the future already. So comment down below with your predictions. How low do you think it will go? Where do you think it's going to go 2 years from now? And if you missed out on your second opportunity, now is your third opportunity to go ahead and subscribe, hit that little notifications bell, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thanks.